Today we're going to make a cheese quesadilla right there, and then quickly add the cheese. And make sure you really get it on there. Boom. Boom. So I'm gonna eat. That actually was pretty good. And I'm going to make another video of cooking for kids TV, and today we're going to make a cheese quesadilla, and so these are the things you need. It's simple, easy, and fun. Also, this is my mission, to cook from a book, not from a box. That's my mission. All the kids will learn to cook it from a book, no box. And so I'm going to teach you how to make it. All you need is two things. You could choose corn or flour tortilla, and any kind of cheese like Kobe Jack cheese, shredded, square cheese, cheddar, that stuff, any kind of cheese. And so this is what you'll first need to do. First, you'll need to put this on the pan, which is at a little bit of high. Place it on there. Right there, and then quickly add the cheese, and then once you add the cheese, make sure not even an inch of cheese gets on to the pan. And then once you add it in the middle, you spread it out. Add some more. Okay, so and then also be careful when you're flipping, because once you're flipping, don't be scared, because once you're flipping, you might get the problem of it's splitting apart. So make sure the cheese is melted. Make sure you add enough cheese, as much cheese as you want, but make sure it doesn't get on the pan. And also, if there's cheeses on the side, pick it up with your spatula. Now it's ready to flip. And make sure you don't do it like a diagonal like this. Pick it up like this so you don't lose control. And make sure you really get it on there. Boom. And that was actually a really good flip. Also, a pizza cutter for cutting in the tiny triangles or big triangles. Pizza cutters are way better than using a knife and just... You could also put ham, pepperoni, or side of it, in the middle of it where I put the cheese. I made this video because I'm really hungry. Seriously, I'm actually hungry. And then I'll flip it on here. Turn this off. I'm gonna take the switch off for the pan right there, and so this looks really good. Clean my table. So I am going to taste test this, but first I have to cut it. So there's this hack. Also, instead of doing it like this, you go tilt it up like this because you get more power and don't forget to watch your fingers, because yeah, probably might send you going to the hospital. That looks pretty even. Yeah, that looks pretty even. And now I am going to cut it. Boom. Oh my god, that actually worked out. Good. Ooh, I could probably make a moon out of this. Look, that makes a perfect moon. But first, I have to taste test this. Which one should I taste? They're all different sizes, I know. And some has more cheese than others. I'm in love with cheese, so I'd rather go with the one that's more cheese. Probably go with this one. Ooh, this one has a layer of cheese. Boom. And so I'm gonna eat the point. That actually was pretty good. Maddox! Let's see what my brother thinks. Shh, it's a surprise. He loves these. Maddox, want a tortilla? Which one do you, I already tasted this one, so. Which one do you want to have? The one with more cheese, or the one that's bigger but has less cheese? Which one? Oh, of course you're gonna pick the one with more cheese, of course. How do you like it? Pretty good. So if you made this and it's so good, comment down below if you love this. Bye. Okay, what do you want to say? Represent it's bye. Bye. I hope you liked the video, and also if you want some extra video footage, watch me eat this whole entire thing. And also, if you liked the video, comment down and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified on all the videos I do. Bye.